I'm gonna show you how you can message a host without booking on Airbnb in just a few seconds. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So this process works on the website. Right now I'm at the website, or you can also use the phone application as well. So all you need to do is go to the home you want. So let's say this one, for example, and as you can see, you can't see any message button, or you can't click the profile of the host to message him. So all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, where you will see right here, meet your host, and you will have this button to message your host. And as you can see, you can message the host in their native language, and Airbnb will provide a translation feature that will help you communicate with the host in any language you want. So you can just click right here, and you will see that if you have questions right here, you can see some frequently asked questions, and if you still have questions, you can message the host right here and send the message, and then your messages will appear right here. Here you will see the full list of all the messages. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.